Since I just got done a How to Train Your Dragon binge, I thought it would be cool to break down and talk about every class of dragons from the franchise. Let's get into it. In How to Train Your Dragon, there are 7 different classes that the dragons are sorted into. Think of it sort of how like Pokemon has types. The classes are Stoker, Boulder, Fair, Sharp, Tidal, Mystery, and Strike. Starting it all off, I think it's only right we get into the Strike class first. These dragons are known for their extreme speeds, high jaw strength, and superior intelligence. Some of them also have pinpoint accuracy or unique traveling abilities. The main poster children for this class would have to be the Night and Light Fury. There are others, but these are just the main ones we know. Obviously because of Toothless. Now we have the Stoker class, and these dragons are usually the hot-headed ones with a high shot limit. Some could even engulf theirself in flames. Some dragons of this class includes the monstrous nightmare like Snotlout's Hookfang or the small but deadly Terrible Terrors. Now let's get into the Fair class, although they are now known as the Tracker class since Vikings aren't scared of dragons anymore. Dragons of this class are usually just stealthy, sneaky, and have multiple heads, which would include dragons like the hideous Zipplebag like Roughnut and Toughnut's Barf and Belch or the Snap Trapper. Now let's get into the Sharp class. These dragons are vain, prideful, and have sharp body parts all around. Sharp body parts that they can shoot out and are very poisonous, might I add. They also enjoy being petted and complimented. Dragons are including the deadly Natter like Astrid Stormfly or the Timberjack. Now shall we talk about the Boulder class. These are the toughest dragons as their armor stats are usually maxed out. They're able to eat rocks which then melts into lava that they can shoot out. And they usually have small wings but can still keep up with other dragons during flight. Dragons would include the Gronkle like Fishleg's Meatlug and the Whispering Death. This dragon probably the creepiest out of all of them. Second to the final class we're going to talk about is the Mystery class. They're a mystery, not much is known about them, which is why they're one of the most feared classes. This class also has the widest variety of dragons. Dragons include the Bone Napper and the Changewing. And finally the Tidal class, the Ocean Dwellers of the Dragons. Although some can live on land due to amphibian traits, very few can produce fire, but many can produce electricity, and they are said to be very peaceful. Some dragons in this class would include the Scaldron and Thunderdrum.